Hey girls, I'm back with another video. I hope you're all doing incredibly well today. In today's video, I am sharing a Walmart spring outfit haul. I feel like I have a lot of great items that you can really wear now and then transition as it gets warmer. All of these items that I am featuring today are under $36 to be exact, but most of them are around $20, $30. So I think just really great pieces, definitely items that you will style over and over again. Let's get right into it, my Walmart spring outfit haul. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my favorite item in today's haul. It is this simple little black cotton dress. Now I did get this in one other colorway, a beautiful pink color. So if you're not into black, I do have another one coming to share with y'all. But what I really like about this is, first, this dress is $20. And I just think it's a really good fashion find. I think this is something that is just very easy to throw on over a swimsuit. If you're on a vacation, if you're at the pool, just something that is super easy to throw on and kind of be out the door. I also think this is a great casual dress. So the same thing, throw it on, run errands, throw simple sandals on, just a really good dress. And then when you want to dress it up, I feel like this is also a dress that can very easily transition into nighttime for a dinner date, meeting the girls, if you're on vacation, like just a really good dress to kind of take you through morning to night, really. Now in this one, I got a size small. In the stripe that you'll see, I got a size medium. I would say for me, I would keep the size small, which is a 4 to 6. I am a typical size 6, size medium, sometimes a size 8. All of my measurements are linked down below in the description box, and I always forget to say this, but of course everything featured in today's video will also be linked down below in the description box. If you're on mobile, tap the title of this video and everything will populate for you there. But even the items that I don't speak to, really I always just link everything that I'm wearing in these little clips for you girls down below, so hopefully it's very easy to shop. Of course, if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment, I will get back to you. But anyways, this is just really a dress that you can take from morning to night. I filmed a little TikTok and reel to show you how to take a dress like this and go from casual to night. So I'm gonna definitely be posting that over there. I would love for you girls to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. My handle is super easy, I'll put it right here. But anyways, just a dress that is really versatile, and for $20, I feel like you cannot beat it. Again, this dress comes in several colors. Now, the one way that I showed is to swap out this little belt that comes with it. It just has those little loops, and I just put on like an actual belt, a leather belt with a gold buckle. The one that I have featured in these clips are more of like, it's older and it's more of like a Western style belt, but I found a really great close one that I linked down below from Madewell, which is just gonna be like a really nice quality belt, and I feel like it's just a little more classic. I can also leave a link to the belt that I'm really eyeing and I'm about to buy, I think. But it is a simple belt, YSL belt, and it just has like the little gold logos to the left of the belt. It comes in like a beautiful camel, cream, as well as black. I really want the camel, but I do think investment-wise, the black is one that I'm gonna wear, 10 years from now. And I like the logo on it. It's very simple and refined, where before I feel like, a few years ago, I had the Gucci belt and it was just like very apparent it was Gucci. I like that this one's a little more refined. I feel like it's a little more classic and will just truly live in my wardrobe from now until, 20, 30 years from now. So I will also leave that linked down below. Obviously, with it being Saint Laurent, definitely would be an investment piece, but you don't need a designer belt for this to dress it up. Simply how I just put that black leather belt on with a gold detailing. I feel like that is just one of the ways that you can style this up. Of course, adding a blazer is another great option, and then really your footwear, wearing little heels or just like nicer sandals. The Tory Burch sandals that I featured a couple times throughout this video and my last few videos, I love those. I got this in last year. Great quality, have really held up. But those, I just wanted to point out, they do come in black as well, and black would be beautiful with this dress too. Again, I'm wearing a size small in this, a size 4 to 6. If you're in between sizes, I would go ahead and say to size down. I just think it has a really nice fit, super breathable fabric, just really a really great item. Okay, might as well go ahead and show you the pink stripe version. Again, this dress comes in several colors, but I thought this stripe one was really pretty. Certainly would be pretty for Easter, for any beach vacation that you have come up, anything more tropical that you have coming up. But in this one, in these clips, I'm wearing a size 8, 10, so a medium. I think it just hangs a little bit too loosely around the torso, maybe even a little bit in the chest. So I definitely think I'm more true to size on the size 4 to 6. But again, I just thought this was really beautiful. I did swap out the belt. I feel like that's just the quickest way to elevate a piece like this is to swap out the cotton belt for like an actual belt. That one that I have on here, nude, it's under $18 on Amazon. I love that you hook it through, and I feel like it just like stays around your waist, hugs to your waist. It's just such a great belt. I've shared it multiple times here, but again, it's still in stock. I have it always linked in my Amazon storefront as well, which that link to my Amazon storefront is always down below in the description box on every video. But I just thought that was a good way to elevate it. You'll see that I did pair it back to my designer bag, my Saint Laurent bag. I love that bag and have had it for like, I don't even know, 7 years. It still looks, I think, in great shape for it being a cream belt and as much as I wear and carry it. But I will link something similar below. And then of course, my shoes that I put on were those Tory sandals that I had just mentioned that come in several colors as well. But I just feel like any like nude sandal, cream sandal will obviously work. I think you could also pair this back with like a little bit of a straw tote or straw accessories to really amplify it being like a more vacation beachy kind of look. But again, $20. I just think you can't go wrong with this. So much room, so breathable. If you live somewhere where it's crazy humid and hot and you step outside and you begin to sweat. I lived in the Southeast, I know those days, but this is just really nice because it's kind of more of a flutter sleeve and just a really breathable fabric. It does have pockets on the side and then a little bit of a ruffle down at the bottom. I just think this is a really feminine dress and I just think it's a really great find. Okay, the next item I want to share with you girls would be a swimsuit from Walmart. I don't think I shared any swimsuits last year. I think this is honestly my first time ordering. I really wasn't sure on sizing. So I got a size medium in the top. I think it fits nicely. I don't think the cups, the cups don't have a built-in, there's a pad in here that you can remove and there's a wire. I do wish the pad had like a little bit of a lift for my chest, but I do really like the thick straps. I feel like that's always so supportive, really holds you in. If you're bigger chested, I know like you would love that detail. And then of course, you know, adjustable straps and then the stretchier back. But I think this is a really cute print. I love it. It does come in a couple solids, or it definitely comes in like a raspberry solid color. Unfortunately, I feel like when I was looking online, there wasn't as much sizes available for other suits that I liked. So I feel like they're probably gonna restock here soon here, but and then I got the matching bottoms. I like that it has these little ties on the side. If you guys saw my swim collection here, I shared a whole YouTube video last year. I can leave it linked down below because those are still my favorite brands and I still fit that, like they still fit me true to size, all that. So I'll leave a link to that video down below, but I had definitely covered a lot of different brands, including like Dippin' Daisies, PacSun, I think Good American, L Space, Abercrombie. But anyways, I'll leave that video linked down below, but you'll have noticed in that video, if you did see it, or if you watched, that I do like a tie side, ties on the side of my hips. I feel like my hips are just where I'm most self-conscious about. And so a tie is just kind of like a nice kind of, not distraction, but I just feel most confident in those kind of bottoms where there's like the ties to add the weight to it versus it just being like super tight band on your hips or something. This is definitely more full coverage, especially the back. I typically wear much smaller backs, cheeky to a thong back, so it's a little bit full coverage for me, but I know a lot of you like that. Again, I just think this print is really cute. The pants that I threw on are my favorite. Those are from Abercrombie last year. They do have a beachy gauzy pant that's in stock this year. Highly recommend snagging those as soon as you can. I do size up in those pants to a large versus my typical medium. I just like them to not be skin tight on my butt, and I feel like those kind of beachy pants, I like them loose. And then the little cover up shirt that I threw on, another favorite of mine, that is the airy pull-to-tie cover up long sleeve shirt. Comes in several colors. I wear medium in that. That's what I'm wearing in the clips, but I can also wear a small in that. I could also really wear a large in that. It's just an oversized shirt, great for layering, again, and really nice breathable piece, so that if you are wanting to add some layer or coverage, it's not gonna make you too hot. In fact, I wear it with like a little sports bra and biker shorts all the time in the summer, and it's nice to tie it around your waist. If you're just wanting like more coverage on the back of your legs or anything like that, I highly, highly recommend that piece, and I have it in like 4 different colors, so I shouldn't grab any more this year, but it is that great of a piece. But anyways, really pleased with how this fit. I mean, just to be able to blindly order mediums, and it did fit. And this is Walmart's brand, Time and True. It's their private label brand, I believe. So yeah, was pleased to be able to order that and try it in. I really like this print on this swimsuit. Okay, the next item I want to share with y'all is this little shirt dress. Now I did have to size up to a large in this, which is a 12 to 14. I don't think it's the greatest fit. I had ordered the medium, so an 8-10, but it just kind of hit across my butt a little bit. Like, it was just weird. It kind of like pulled the fabric up, so then I had a gap, like more fabric sitting between my butt and like bra line. Like, it just kind of caused this fold. So to me, it was just too tight across the butt and hips. So I then sized up, but with sizing up, it typically ends up being a little bit too big in the chest, like the armpit area kind of hangs out. I do think it fits nicely in the skirt portion. And again, this dress is, I think, $19, so you cannot beat it. You could definitely, if you had a size up for your hips, you could definitely get this pulled in at the seamstress. I think it would be like $5 and maybe $10 total, so still like a great price if you absolutely love the dress and wanted to just have it fit nicely. I love these kind of shirt detail dresses. I feel like they're classic. You can just pull them out season over season, like year over year, and restyle them many different ways. I think they look great under blazers, little cardigans. I styled it here with a hat and some booties, but you could definitely style this with like flats and loafers, maybe even like sneakers for like a really, like a white pair of sneakers for like a really casual outfit. And then of course this has a cinch waist, which is completely functional, so that's a really nice detail too. This dress does come in kind of like a rainbow stripe color, which again looks more like kind of beachy and coastal. I think it looks it's very pretty, but this does come in several colors in case this cream tan one isn't your favorite. I do think I will love it more once I have a tan, but yeah, just another great find under $20. I believe Walmart's other private label brand is Free Assembly. So in this, I'm wearing a size medium. It's a great little pullover, a little quarter zip pullover top, and I feel like it's one of those pieces that you just get so much more, you get a ton of use out of it, especially this time of the year where I feel like you have to have a layer in the morning or at night, but then maybe in the day it's something easy to take off, or you're pairing this back with jean shorts, joggers, even just jeans and loafers, something like that. Wearing a medium in this top, and I do feel like it has an oversized fit for sure, especially the collar or the shoulder through the sleeves. I think it's a piece that's just like super versatile, so I do really like it, and I paired it back with these jean shorts. These jean shorts are from Abercrombie. They are the Curve Love high rise cutoff short. I'm wearing a size 29.8 in these. Typically I size up twice in jean shorts for whatever reasons. These ones I only had to size up once. They are still in stock and comes in tons of different colors. I want to say 5 or 6. And I've mentioned it before here on my channel, but I am always surprised that Abercrombie denim shorts are right at the price point of $60, and I'm surprised they haven't raised them. I think sometimes they're even like, certain ones are $50 to $60, but I've had these for probably 3 years at this point. Since they are the Curve Love line, that means that they have a smaller waist and more room through the thighs, which I absolutely love. That's what I need. So they actually stay, like the waist stays snug to my body. I absolutely love Curve Love line. The Curve Love line from Abercrombie, and these jean shorts are no exception. I thought this looked really cute with my Converse. Definitely a cute casual outfit, a great weekend outfit. You know, great items for if you're going on vacation, spring break. These are kind of just like really basic classic pieces that you'll pull out, you know, every single year and restyle different ways. Again, I think this top is right at $25, under $30 for this little top, and I do feel like you could style it with jeans right now, and loafers, jeans, and sneakers to make it casual, and then of course with jean shorts. There's a variety of different outfits you can create with these pieces. And then I had picked up this A-line dress. The material on this is really nice. It's like a soft cotton material, has a little bit of ruching in the back. I am wearing a size small in this dress, and I think it's priced right at $35. A little bit longer in length, definitely a midi length, and you have these adjustable straps. There's actually buttons here so you can tighten the strap that way if needed. It comes with this little belt as well, and then pockets on both sides. Again, I feel like you could swap the belt off for one of your nicer belts to really elevate this piece, or to really elevate the look. But I really like this. I think it fits really nicely through the chest, and just overall has like a great shape to it. It's fitted through the chest and your waist, and then flares really nicely over the hips. Definitely a great dress to wear to the office. You can throw a blazer on top. The one that I have here is from Everlane. It's the 80s blazer. It's definitely more of an oversized fit. I personally love that, but if you're wanting obviously if you need to have a more tailored look for the office, then you could obviously wear a more fitted blazer and it would still work. Now, of course, for shoes, you can pair this back with sandals. a heeled sandal, wedges, anything like that. A dress like this is so simple and basic. You can definitely style it with pretty much any kind of footwear that you have. I feel like if you wanted to pair this back with sneakers, I would just go with really simple white basic sneakers, and then maybe throw on a straw hat or something, just kind of make it like a more casual vacation, casual spring outfit. But another really great piece, this does come in one other color. It's kind of like a green gingham print. I'm surprised they don't have it in more colors, but I would say black is such a great choice. Again, you'll be pulling this out of your wardrobe over and over again to restyle in different ways. I wanted to try a pair of jeans. I didn't have the greatest luck. So these are the paper bag jeans, and I want to say they're right at $30. But it's by Walmart's brand Time and True. And I just knew I was going to have to size up in this. So I sized up to a 12. In most places, I'm typically a size 6, maybe an 8. But reading the reviews, I sized up to a 12. Obviously way too big in the waist, and it kind of dips back low in the back because it's just too much fabric. But I will say the quality of this is really nice. I think because I'm more of a hourglass shape where I'm coming in at the waist and then flit out at the hips, I feel like this just isn't the right pair of jeans for me. I think if you're a little bit more slimmer, a little bit more of a straighter build through your hips area, this might be the better choice. But of course I do like the cinch, the paper bag thing up top here with this little belt. I feel like it is always nice to really cinch it into your waist. If you don't have a smaller waist, then something like this is really nice because it defines your waist. So I would definitely try it, but I knew I was gonna have to size up, and I think the fit is just not there. I do like this black color, of like a washed black, which I really like. And this comes in so many different colors: cream, white, pink, green, lots of different options. I think you might just have to like order and see if it's for you. But otherwise, the quality of this, super soft, like definitely a great pair of pants. It's just not the right pants for me. Okay, and then I want to quickly mention 2 things that I ordered that I absolutely hated, so I did not even film a clip. I honestly didn't even try this skirt on. This is by Walmart's brand Free Assembly. Size medium in this skirt, but it's just such a crunchy cotton material. I would never even consider putting this on. And then this one here, this little shirt dress, I thought it was gonna be really cute. It's completely like see-through. You'd have to wear a full-on tank underneath that. And again, I just feel like the quality just not there. I would much rather spend in the range of 50 to 100 from like Nordstrom and just get one that I could truly pull. I could wear all the time, wear in a professional setting if needed, and one that I feel like will just like kind of last longer. But wanted to quickly mention it. I will leave these linked down below so y'all can like check it out, but those were 2 misses in the haul. I completely forgot I wanted to talk about this hat when I shared the swimsuit. This is by the brand Lack of Color, and they are the absolute best in hats, I believe. I have several of their Australian wool hats, and I just feel like you can easily recognize, at least I can, but you can easily recognize when it's a Lack of Color hat on someone else. The quality is just always there, 10 out of 10. I love this detail here with the strap. I haven't been able to find one with the strap like this, with the beads and then, what is this, like shark teeth or something? But I just think this is so cute, so beachy. Love the strap. So wanted to mention it. I'll have that link down below. Okay girls, so that is it for my Walmart spring outfit haul. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Each and every single one of you, please take the second to do that. It really helps me greatly. It gets my content out to more people, which is the goal. So I really appreciate that. If you need anything else at all, any questions, comments about sizes, anything you want to see upcoming, please do leave me a comment and I will get back to each and every single one of you. And as always, you can find me over on Instagram and TikTok. You can also download and follow me in the free LTK app, but I link everything in there, daily products that I use and love. You can also search. So if you want to find something that I shared forever ago, that is so quick to just type in Abercrombie jeans, and every time I wear Abercrombie jeans and have posted in the app, it all comes up. So I love that feature for that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you really soon in my next one.